Have you ever wondered why Mars is often referred to as the Red Planet? This intriguing moniker comes from the iron oxide, or what we know as rust, scattered across the planet's surface. This rust gives Mars its distinctive reddish hue, setting it apart from the other planets in our solar system. It's a unique characteristic of Mars that makes it immediately recognizable. So the next time you see a photo of Mars, remember that its signature red color comes from rust. Did you know that a day on Mars is almost the same as a day on Earth? Yes, you heard that right. A day on the red planet, known as a sol, is only slightly longer than our earthly day, clocking in at about 24 hours and 37 minutes. This means that if you were to pack up and move to Mars, the rhythm of your daily life wouldn't be drastically different. So if you lived on Mars, your daily routine wouldn't change much. Imagine breathing in an atmosphere that's mostly carbon dioxide. That's exactly what you'd experience on Mars. The Martian atmosphere is remarkably thin, composed primarily of carbon dioxide, with mere traces of nitrogen and argon. Unlike the comforting pressure we're accustomed to on Earth, the atmospheric pressure on Mars is a mere 0.6% of ours. So while Mars may share a lot with Earth, the air certainly isn't one of them. Breathing on Mars, as you can imagine, would be quite a challenge. Mars is home to the tallest volcano and one of the largest canyons in the solar system. Olympus Mons, the reigning giant of the Martian landscape, towers over the red planet at a staggering height of about 13.6 miles. That's nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest, Earth's tallest peak. It's a shield volcano similar to the volcanoes we find in the Hawaiian Islands, but on an immensely grander scale. On the other side of the size spectrum, we find Valles Marineris, one of the largest canyons in the solar system. It stretches over an impressive 2,500 miles long, 120 miles wide, and reaches depths of up to 4 miles. To put that into perspective, it's as if you stretched the Grand Canyon across the United States from Los Angeles to New York and then doubled its depth. These towering landmarks remind us of the dramatic and diverse landscape that exists on Mars. Water on Mars? Yes, but it's not like the water on Earth. Imagine the polar ice caps, not just a frosty spectacle of Earth, but a feature shared by our celestial neighbor, Mars. These icy formations are a cocktail of water ice and frozen carbon dioxide, expanding and receding with Mars' changing seasons. But the story of water on Mars doesn't end there. Beneath the red, dusty surface of Mars, there's a possibility of liquid water. Yes, you heard it right, liquid water, just like the one we have on our planet. This isn't the water you'd pour into a glass on a hot summer day, but it's water nonetheless. Evidence suggests that this water may exist in the form of underground lakes or reservoirs, hidden from our sight but potentially teeming with possibilities. The existence of water on Mars raises the tantalizing possibility of life. Could Mars be more than just a barren desert? Only time will tell. Mars may be smaller than Earth, but it has 2 moons instead of just 1. Let's introduce Phobos and Deimos, the 2 celestial bodies that accompany the red planet in its journey around the sun. These moons, unlike our own, are irregularly shaped, giving them a striking resemblance to asteroids. In fact, it's believed that Phobos and Deimos were once asteroids that were captured by Mars's gravitational pull. These tiny moons orbiting Mars add to the planet's mystique. Mars is a world of extremes, from intense dust storms to evidence of ancient rivers. Let's start with the dust storms. Imagine a tempest so fierce it engulfs an entire planet for months on end. Mars is notorious for these planet-wide dust storms. These aren't your typical dust devils, but mammoth maelstroms that shroud the entire Martian landscape, affecting both the surface and any spacecraft operations. But there's another side to this extreme world. Picture a time when water flowed freely across its surface. Mars boasts evidence of ancient riverbeds, a testament to its watery past. These aren't just tiny trickles but vast networks of meandering channels and dried-up deltas. They hint at a time, billions of years ago, when Mars may have been a wetter world, possibly akin to early Earth. These features tell a story of a dynamic and evolving planet. Bits of Mars have made their way to Earth, and we have sent several spacecraft to Mars in return. Martian meteorites found on Earth are invaluable pieces of the cosmic puzzle. These rocks, blasted off the Martian surface by asteroid impacts, have journeyed through space to land on our planet. Each meteorite serves as a time capsule, preserving the history and secrets of Mars within its structure. In return, we have sent robotic ambassadors to Mars. The Viking landers, Spirit, Opportunity, and Curiosity rovers, and most recently, NASA's Perseverance rover, have all touched down on the Martian surface. Each successful landing is a testament to human ingenuity and the thirst for knowledge. These rovers have roamed the Red Planet, capturing images, collecting data, and conducting experiments to unravel the mysteries of Mars. These exchanges between Earth and Mars have greatly expanded our understanding of the Red Planet. Mars continues to surprise us with its methane mystery and dust devils. Among the many marvels the Red Planet presents, the presence of methane in its thin, carbon dioxide-rich atmosphere stands out. This gas, often associated with biological activity on Earth, hints at the tantalizing possibility of life, past or present, on Mars. Yet the sporadic nature of these methane emissions adds an extra layer of intrigue to the puzzle. Not to be outshined, Mars's dust devils, akin to our terrestrial tornadoes, also capture our curiosity. Dancing across the Martian landscape, these whirlwinds lift dust into the atmosphere, etching intricate patterns onto the surface. Besides creating a spectacle, these dust devils play a pivotal role in Mars' weather and climate. So, whether it's the mystery of elusive methane or the ballet of dust devils, Mars never ceases to amaze. These intriguing phenomena keep scientists on their toes as they study Mars. Mars isn't just a subject of scientific study, it's also a potential destination for future human exploration. The Red Planet has been a focal point of our cosmic curiosity for years, and its exploration is no longer a distant dream, but a tangible goal for scientists and space agencies across the globe. One of the most intriguing concepts associated with Mars exploration is terraforming, the hypothetical process of deliberately modifying its atmosphere, temperature, and ecology to make it habitable for human life. Imagine turning the cold, dry, and barren Martian landscape into a vibrant, green, Earth-like habitat, a place where rivers flow, crops grow, and humans can thrive just as they do on Earth. The idea might seem like a science fiction plot, but it's a concept that some scientists have seriously proposed. However, terraforming Mars wouldn't be an easy task. It would involve monumental challenges, from thickening the planet's thin atmosphere to warming its freezing temperatures. And of course, it raises ethical questions about our right to alter an entire planet. Beyond terraforming, there's also the prospect of sending crewed missions to Mars. Space agencies and private companies alike have set their sights on the Red Planet. NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the Moon by 2024 as a stepping stone towards Mars. Elon Musk's SpaceX is developing the Starship, a spacecraft designed to carry humans to Mars and other destinations in the solar system. And it's not just about landing on Mars, but also about living there. Scientists are studying how to sustain human life on Mars, from growing food in Martian soil to extracting water from the planet's icy reserves. These future endeavors will not only advance our understanding of Mars, but also of our own planet and our place in the universe. As we push the boundaries of human exploration, we're reminded of our innate curiosity and our relentless pursuit to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. Perhaps one day humans will not only visit Mars, but call it home. Mars, our neighboring planet, is a world of wonders and mysteries. This celestial body, cloaked in a rusty red and basking in the faint sunlight, has been the subject of our fascination for centuries. From its towering volcano, Olympus Mons, to the Grand Canyon of Valles Marineris, Mars is a testament to the spectacular diversity of the solar system. Its thin atmosphere, polar ice caps, and the intriguing possibility of liquid water beneath its surface have fueled endless scientific curiosity. Even the dust storms that occasionally blanket the planet, and the ancient riverbeds etched into its surface, tell a story of dynamic geological activity. The presence of methane, a potential sign of biological or geological activity, adds yet another layer of mystery. As we look forward to the prospect of terraforming and human exploration, Mars continues to captivate us. As we continue to explore Mars, who knows what other fascinating discoveries await us?